Before the hills had their names, before the first small towns, the Susquehanna carved her crown. Where the Lenape fished and the Iroquois roamed, this ancient land was their home. From the rivers that carved through the mountains wide, to the steel towns shining with old pride, where liberty rang and the dream took flight, in the heart of the Keystone night. Oh, Pennsylvania, my heartland home, where the laurel blooms and the wild winds roam, through rolling hills and valleys wide, the rivers sing where the steel once shined. From the Appalachian Trail to the Susquehanna River's gleam, you carry the soul of an American dream. Through the Allegheny fog I can see the dawn. Johnstown stands where the flood had gone, but long before freedom had a name, the first voices here still remain. Oh, Pennsylvania, my heartland home, where the laurel blooms and the wild winds roam, through rolling hills and valleys wide, the rivers sing where the steel shines. Long before the borders came to be, the ancient river still ran free. Through time and stone her song remains, in Pennsylvania's time